Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can use the Kakobuy coupon. So first thing that you should do is you have to log into your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you just have to sign up for one. So after that, you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to visit their website. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to look for the item that you want to purchase. So for example, this one is you just have to tap on it, just select your color classification, then a quantity, and then if you would like to write a message only when you have special requirements regarding this order's purchasing, then you can add that right here. Then after that, you just have to click on the buy now option. So once you're done, you just have to tap on the user option or your profile at the top right, and then tap on the user center. And then you would be directed to this section. Now, right here, you'll be able to see the different coupons that you can use. So, for example, you would like to use this one, so tap on the Use Now option, and you will be directed to your order section. So, all you have to do here is you just have to select the order that you want to apply this coupon to. For example, we have a select all goods, so we are going to use this for all of our goods. Then after that, I'm just going to tap on the submission of label. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.